Hello and welcome to this weekend edition of the Daily Dose of Greek. And maybe you're a graduate student and you want to work on your German, or maybe your German's rusty. Well, I want to tell you about a free online screencast similar to the Daily Dose, not connected with us in any way, that does something to help you with your German. It's called the Daily Portion of German. You can just Google this, Daily Portion of German. It's connected with something called the Erasmus Academy. So I think the website actually says Erasmus Academy Daily Portion of German. They have a YouTube channel. Again, you can search for Daily Portion of German, Erasmus Academy. And they're just going through German text, very similar to what we do in the Daily Dose, a bit longer, and all different kinds of German text, modern and back to the, I think, go back to the Middle Ages, back to the Reformation, and just talking through them. And usually there are two people that are talking back, the teacher and the student talking back and forth. My wife is currently taking a PhD program or a graduate program in German. She's trying to pass a German proficiency exam for her Doctor of Musical Arts degree at the University of Kentucky, and so she has found this helpful in learning to read German and learning to translate German. Again, it's all free. So I just mentioned to you, it's the daily portion of German produced by the Erasmus Academy. And I'll mention as well, just on the side, we have the daily dose of Latin where we're going through the Vulgate. But if you're interested in reading longer texts of Latin and more complex text, there is a ministry that David Noe, who is a professor of classics at Calvin University in Grand Rapids, he has a website, LatinPerDiem, and a YouTube channel, and he has well over 1,000 videos there going through classical Latin text and talking through them again in a screencast type format. Some of them 4 minutes, some of them 7 minutes. So they're a bit longer than the daily dose, but just want to make you aware of these things: Latin per diem and the daily portion of German.